So we are given here a question that asks us to calculate the length of a line segment given two endpoints, one being -3, -4, and one being -12, 4. So to aid in my understanding, I'm going to draw a simple picture. I'm going to draw a straight line, and I'm going to label the endpoints given in the question. So here's one. This is going to be endpoint -3, -4. And the other endpoint is going to be -12, 4. So that's over here, -12, 4. So those are our two endpoints, and we want to calculate the length of that line. Okay, now we're given a formula for the length of a line, length, distance, whatever you want to call it, and it is, in case you forgot, d equals the square root of x2 minus x1. These are the first coordinates of our ordered pairs. We take the difference and we square them. And same thing with the y values, y2 minus y1 squared. Now in this problem, I'm going to take this 3 as my -3 as my x1 and this -12 as my x2. So let me label those points. So I have x1 equals -3, and I have x2 equaling -12. Might as well finish off here. My x4 negative is going to be the y1 value. So that equals y1. And then my y2 value will be the last entry there is 4. So I'm going to take these values and plug them into my formula. So I'll take a copy of this formula, move it down here, and erase or remove all the variables because I'm going to replace them with actual values. So my x2 is -12 minus -3, that's my x1. My y2 is 4 minus -4, close bracket. If I do the math now, what I end up with is the square root of, let's see, -12, these two negatives make it a positive, so I'll have -9 squared plus these two negatives, again, make it a positive, so that's 4 plus 4 plus 8 squared. If I do the calculation, I get 81 plus 64, which is equal to the square root of 145, which if I do it on my calculator, plug it in, instead of doing an equal sign, I'm going to get an approximate answer, and that is 12.04. So there you have it. There's your basic length of a line segment given endpoints. And what, again, we're calculating is the distance between one endpoint and the other.